welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm taking a road trip with Uganda's fast electric bus. They call it Kayoola bus or the green bus because it's using electricity to charge. And yes, it's my very first time. I'm super excited, super charged already. Let's do this.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? It's so nice. I came early. There are no people. Hi. How are you? Good morning. Upon first glance, I love what I'm seeing. It's super spacious. A lot of people can fit in, but I think because of the social distancing, I'm gonna have a lot of room to myself. I could actually just lie in here and say, this whole space is mine. Well, so they said it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge, and we're taking a 300-kilometer drive to Ginger. Oh my God, I love this. I feel like I'm somewhere in China, but in Uganda. Isn't that so? Because it's made in Uganda, but everything on the bus is actually coming from China. So the bus housed Wi-Fi, USB charging portals, enough AC, which I love because it's pretty hot, and enough legroom for anyone to be flexible and stretch your legs once in a while every time you move. So I was told every time you're traveling, stay away from Wi-Fi because they knew not to the view. But guess what? I'm using my phone and the camera, and I'm charging the beautiful scenery because I love looking through the window. Guess what? It's beautiful out here. Petrol stations have a way of being the best place for bathroom break and grocery shopping with snacks. With the petrol station, getting a break, bathroom breaks and all that stuff, one thing that I love about this trip is I'm going to be able to tour a lot of historical sites, which is pretty fun. So you know how Uganda has a lot of history in the 90s? Yeah, a lot of it's 19, 21, 19. Sounds like there's nothing a lot of 18s. I'm going to be able to take you through the whole journey. Okay, I'm super excited, but I think we're gonna go, and if I get stormed out of here, I have to go. Okay. So when I was designing the Uganda flag shot at Whitney, I didn't think Kayoola bus would actually need this for a photo shoot, but the photo shoot turned out so great. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the photos that come out of this. Legroom for myself, like. Yeah. Okay, so we're taking a walk to buy gonja and chicken. So, yeah, we got no choice. I made new friends. Hi. Beautiful souls. It's so fun. If one is traveling by road, the best place to actually buy snacks is on the roadside. There's a lot of chicken, usually ready. Apparently from the reviews, I'm not really a chicken person. And then the gonja, which is my favorite, is on the roadside. Namawajula is one of the towns that has that great feel. If you miss it, you have to go back and get it. This is what we're doing. We're going back because our bus missed the stop. Unbelievable. Okay, Ginger Town, so far so good. I'm enjoying it. Pretty sunny. I don't know why I love cold temperatures. For some reason, I really love cold temperatures. Okay, there's a car behind me! Okay, guys, I think I'm getting a lot of hype. I think it's pretty plain. There's nothing really fascinating or new or fancy. I kind of always think Ginger becomes amazing after the forest. Yeah. Okay, shopping check, snacks check. We have our chicken, we have our gonja, a little drinking water here, there, and this. Let's head to a town that most people know and talk about. Even in school, it's the thing we talk about, Mabura Forest. But for meantime, I'll enjoy my favorite snack, gonja.
You're blushing. Stop it.
One thing for sure, I love Mabura Forest, and if it's in the dark, it gives me this Vampire Diaries kind of chills. But the bridge on this road is the most fascinating, and seeing it through the rear window of the bus is so beautiful. For the first time, I was able to capture the River Nile. For years, I've tried every time I pass on this road to check out the River Nile and see the water right to my face, feel like I'm literally on the river. This was the first time I got a better view. It felt so breathtaking, and well, that's the bridge. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Currently, Kiira Motors have two buses that are already on the road. They're working, they're ready for use, and takes about 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge for 300 kilometers. Sanitize, safety first. So I thought I was going to come here and I see cars being moved from one to another, like that part where like on TV, you know, when they move a car in a manufacturing plant, like something gets moved from here to there, and then you see people moving around like they're in a real production facility. Yeah, I'm hot. Okay, so it's more like the future of Kiira Motors Corporation. It's got honestly the construction over there, so that's where we're going. Right, wait, where were you? Right there. Yes. Actually, feel like basically all our touring is the future of Kiira Motors Corporation. Carrying out what will be in years from now, since now we've done only two buses. I'm curious to know where they made those two buses from. I'm gonna find out. I'm nosy like that. Safety first. I'm gonna go get my equipment ready. James Bond days, and all of a sudden I'm in a video game. This is funny. Okay, so you know that moment you're like, go in there, nothing, kick the door. Rescue, nothing that side. Let's try. Kill that camera. Let's go. Camera first. Camera. James Bond. Wait a minute. See what I mean? This stuff is tempting.
Trying to forget you is like trying to go up the Indian Ocean. Here, rain, hearing your things that last forever, and loving you feels like home because you are shaped like home. You are shaped like a garden of roses. You are shaped like a virgin's first kiss. You are shaped like God's forgiveness. You are not shaped like. You are shaped like L. You are shaped like O. You are shaped like V.
What's up, what's up? Hi. Yeah, give me. Woohoo! Pretty people! What's up, girl? Hey, team. Ah, what's up? Woohoo!
How you doing? It's been amazing.
All right. And
Thank you.
we have.
I enjoyed the trip. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you would take or wouldn't take the Uganda's electric bus.
Talk to me.